So, while we have the door panel off, which is... So, let's take the 310 mils off, which I already loosened. Get these guys out of the way. Now what's good is you have this little clip holding it in so it doesn't just fall over. These two wires come down. You've got a clip right here. And you got a clip right here. Now this one has the heat and the blinker. So let's make sure this is the right way to do it. Let's pull her off. Yep, see? It's completely coming out. I'm not gonna completely take it out, but you get the idea. It just clips in. There you go. So, there you have it. Just undo these guys. Look, it should come with the new wire. I'll put the link in the description, and there you have it. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.